Say what to pep and can pay.
Matter pep and but me see Joshua and Kansan and Meta pep and
Okay.
You see, Champions League final, someone say about Rapio Jersey.
Yeah, Rapio Jersey.
Okay. Maybe say, probably you will bet me, Matthias here. Argentina in the Champions League final. What are the legitimate factors? Among focus say Paris Saint-Germain a favorite over Arsenal in the Champions League. Argentina. Because I'm more all-round team. Rich, Obiabo Champions League, you know. Up to this stage in the final,
unbeaten.
Obian to me share no.
Ebia no unshare do be share.
Obian to me share no. Washo Obia. In the run up to the Champions League final, our 9 clean sheets. Mami Musao. The record now Arsenal they got into the Champions League final. No. Sanke Paris Saint-Germain hold the same record. And Kobe Beka say Arsenal a favorite team one. Record now Arsenal they got Champions League final. No. Sanke Real Madrid, Barcelona, Liverpool, AC Milan, any team fufubi, Chelsea mpo, and hold the same record say this year's Champions League, you know. Obian team share no. 9 clean sheeter. And can someone say Obi a favorite Chiomo? Look, the disrespect to Arsenal is too much.
Is it not because of Arsenal history in the Champions League?
Who the history in there? This season they are playing.
Yeah, history.
And it's like a history inquiry, they will not go on beating. So we that. We are not looking at history. We are talking about game of Bekoso in this season's tournament. And game never question between 2 teams. You are doing an analysis to say out of the 2 teams, you know, when they favorites. And I make say, and you man when they say 2 teams to come up and just said they favorite or show. But just to pronounce say will be their favorite, you know. I sound no when you dey. And one of the teams in the final, no, about competition in ABC Samuel Obian team share no. Our 9 clean sheets in the competition. Who's will be a favorite team? Based on the end. Now they have a second say, just say Paris Saint-Germain your favorite because omu part of my said Chelsea. Who told you Chelsea the standard of the Champions League? I say Chelsea no na. It just say I feel the worst. No. And see when I Josh Unko, I've heard a lot of people. In fact, majority of your listeners again say in the Champions League final, Paris Saint-Germain is favorite. It is not backed by any analysis in this season's Champions League. There is no team in this 2025-2026 Champions League season our favorite team Arsenal. About Brian Ball Champions League this season. Obienu about Brighton Arsenal. They can be beaten in the final, no problem. But in the topic of why they are favorite, Arsenal is favorite by logic, by BBL. And so if you've analyzed football for a long time, that is the reason why even the supercomputer and the are still at 10% Arsenal are favorites, you know, because that they are.
Samu.
BBL negates that point, you know. There is nothing that negates that point. Every Arsenal your favorite team. Every you doubt them. Every you believe they are bottless. The OGDBR can hold. But the moment Odis had the battle in China, you will look at the face of this season Champions League. Game by game, performance, form, the OBI or Champions League.
Okay, I feel Mati Ayala say. Say, this season you didn't come out in the
Champions League.
But also, you see, maybe Ebia, me Kasama Josh, but Ebia Josh, UEFA Champions League in general.
Rich.
Because I know we're defending champion.
Rich. There is nothing like in general. Every season, Koba Champions League final, you have 2 teams to play.
Yeah.
The choice of who is favorites emanate from the analysis you do in the competition that season. You are one teamer. Competition I can 17. This season, we are both from start to now finish. Obian team in channel. Osi will be a favorite channel. How? Maybe this analysis na say. I don't really get it. People disrespect Arsenal too much, and I ask you the same question. Say, Rich, Real Madrid, Manchester United, Liverpool, Chelsea, Barcelona, Sanko, any of these teams are Malisi, and they want the same record as Arsenal won, and the Komuko final, the same form, the same unbeaten runner.
And the simple reason here, say, Real Madrid never final now. Obiani Madrid history in the final in the Champions League.
Rich, and I'm saying,
but we are talking about Arsenal. Even 2006 no call final. When Jimmy Angie, if we don't call final,
Rich, I am saying, say,
and on my club, they are used to say bottling trophies. Bottles.
If you are saying because of that, they are not going to win the final. That is fine, but it doesn't define they are not favorite for the final.
Okay.
No, Obi call final be a favorite. Okay. The moment two teams now call final there. Obi bet me.
No, asema make catch on say. So okay say because of Arsenal history on GB that or call final ya share no. It has to keep whatever reasons you have. I hear or doubt on Arsenal. And no, see ebe show mu in the final. That one I don't have any problem with that. But when you put Paris Saint-Germain to say now offer Arsenal to say there is no logic argument over here. You will come to a conclusion say this 2025-2026 Champions League season Paris Saint-Germain is a favorite to Arsenal. That is the point I am making.
But Ayala, I think you also agree. Say, I get the Arsenal conversation. Say Arsenal this season, the kind of clean sheets and their performance defensive wise very solid. But look at PSG. So the team that has scored the most, in fact, on 44 goals in the Champions League this season. When you look at that statistic as well, Ubetimiaka say in the final, the probability of the both teams at the Ubetimiaka Bebre, PSG. And I know the Medellins Waka say, when I look at the two teams and you ask me, why not the propensity or the potential to win that final on that day?
A typical Arsenal fan so catch us okay. Agreed.
Okay.
Paris Saint-Germain team we should go spa. But me team na fan Arsenal. Me and
I also agree with what you said.
Throughout the campaign, my cup final beating.
Good. And I also agree with you when you say that both teams are favorites. Both teams are favorites.
Of course.
Based on the statistics they are both analyzing.
Two teams on my cup final there. Exactly. Okay.
That is the point.
Someone says, that
is the point. You can make us say, say, Paris Saint-Germain, competition because me help born no more born say Arsenal. But the moment we arrive at who is favorites between the two teams, na say make say me the based on two teams in performances to the final. There is nothing that negates Arsenal being favorites in the final. Champions League final is set here. I have not been on radio for a very, very long time. I have been to Accra, I've been to Kumasi, everywhere over Kobian. Obian say Paris Saint-Germain a favorite. I say how?
But Obi can say Paris Saint-Germain a favorite, you know, on your far from right. Because only the holders of the Champions League.
That's
it is a major reason why Obi say between on any Arsenal. One a favorite because yes, it is true. Arsenal
because all your defending champion on Cointy.
What me ba? My main come Arsenal performance this season is impeccable. If football is anything like impeccable, like Arsenal's before were unbeaten. But Paris Saint-Germain have not been bad either. So and you say Barcelona is very good and Paris Saint-Germain no the performance they said that also they've been solid and their form has also peaked. Plus all the holders of this same competition. And 2 seasons ago, just this season.
On that same holders argument, you know, in the history of the Champions League, how many times and holders as the Champions League? No,
so that is true. That is there.
And in the same argument that you think a strong point for Paris Saint-Germain, it is not.
No, but
them being defending champions, you know, per the trend analysis of how the Champions League cut and it's here.
That comes back to what you asked Ayala. History alone doesn't conclude. Because all can't fair say Arsenal doesn't have good history. I'll ask you that. Is history enough? It is not enough.
Exactly. So I'm saying, Fiifi.
So in terms of the analysis of the conversation, if I hear somebody saying that Paris Saint-Germain are favorites, they are not far from right.
They are very, very
no,
far.
No, I can disagree with the person.
They are very, very far.
Or a favorite because all the Kita there.
They are very. Let me catch yourself. Ukuta Champions League now.
It's when you say
Ukuta Champions League now.
Last 6 months was Inter 5-0.
Okay, me say Ukuta Champions League now. History that will say Champions League.
How
many teams?
So you Real Madrid.
Yes, how many teams now? Yes, I am.
Teams so much, you know. The point is all count to me, sir.
You know to say.
I was against
final.
Okay, listen to Lauren Appiah say. Ayala is just being mischievous. How can you overrule the excellence of history in the Champions League? If Arsenal was to play Barcelona, would you have said what you're saying now?
Make us say Arsenal go final from that line. Barcelona was on that line. Maybe Rich, I say maybe overrule history. I say best start Champions League say history there. Then every season we should give it to Real Madrid. History there. Say we use it to have a discussion. But it doesn't determine anything. You have to play for it. Say history in Quadia next season in the Champions League. Let's say one away history. Then let's give the trophy to Real Madrid. Say history. Then why is AC Milan not competing in the Champions League now? History it helps with the conversation. But the fact of the matter is say there are 2 teams in the Champions League final. 2 teams, you know. Bakwa Kodru final. Obien Timin Shen. What's your Bayern Munina 3-3? Wako final no out of games are won a 9 or keep be clean sheet in the run to the final. You sit and they suspend that team say oh no your favorite.
Oh, as about Ayala, if somebody says I want your favorite, I need to suspect.
Yeah, they suspect. I have asked Rich the same question. I will ask you. Sanka Champions League final where you Kwakubi.
Yeah.
Sanka ask Chelsea. And then Kawako unbeaten to the finals of the Champions League. Would you have said Paris Saint-Germain a favorite over them?
Because Paris Saint-Germain are favorites, yes. Because they are holders, yes.
If Sanka Chelsea are unbeaten,
Nana, come here, see the disrespect and the hate to Arsenal is too much. Tell Ayala that I really love him.
Too
analysis,
much.
But
what do you say, Rich? Saudi and remember this season, Arsenal winning these trophies will be exciting.
Arsenal will Champions League.
Arsenal will be so. Saudi no way na. Arsenal league you know you on.
Okay.
No only Champions League come on. The fact that there will be a lot of people who will be put to shame. Oh, wow. And never man ahead then.
So you know Hussein.
Yeah.
Broken right?
Yeah.
So Hussein no broken.
Yeah.
Otiation I say Arsenal had an unbeaten run in the Champions League in 2006 prior to losing in the final to Barcelona.
I mean,
so that being unbeaten does not make it automatic.
So
that you are favorite.
That's why I FIFA before, that's why I said the fact that you are favorite doesn't mean you are going to win it. Yeah. Favorite.
But anyways, Ayala point is
discussion
also massive.
Favorite discussion is different from who win.
Yeah.
So you see, that's why I'm saying that for me. So because of Paris Saint-Germain, unless honestly, Joshua did not add the fact that who you hold the city are.
Ayala are your favorite.
So first you hold the
so you hold down God are your favorite.
It's not the final. Madrid like what Champions League last season. And all by with even of this Arsenal's record. Would you have said Arsenal were favorites?
Fiifi.
Even if it was Barcelona.
I have Champions League. The following season will be an case of your favorite.
I have told you, say, in my opinion.
Okay,
don't take the fact that Paris Saint-Germain are defending champions, you know, in any argument and say it is one of your strongest points why you say they are favorites. Because as I'm now say what did Kutawa? You don't normally win a game.
That one too goes back to history and why history is not enough.
No, I'm not saying this is enough. But
the German and show drag ya say the na yɛmfa fisɛm to aso
Nti yɛbɛtwɛ 30th May.
And
I am
then-
Edgy
more.
Edgy more.
I know come back.
na yɛmfa decide
Oh, so I debate with.
fɛhyia Edgy
Over
more
30th now. No wa show Jesse Naba. Oba na ya set table no.
sure
Nti oba either say obetena Arsenal for no yemu and now obetena fake favorite for ni mu. Na
sɛ na Ayala deɛ no wobɛhyɛ Arsenal Jesse
ah
I see
full Arsenal.
Yeah, they be PSG for the.
Full Arsenal.
na monkyɛkyɛ
You be set us no was here. The PSG na ka ho.
ɛnti yɛpɔn a no ma rɔrɔ
Actually kakra.
Omo ya against ni nyina emfa. Rich, Usha Patak, Usha Intakremwa. Don't you see this season is for Arsenal? Who say BBR is going for Arsenal?
me ɛda saa deɛ no dawn on me paa Arsenal ne West Ham game
West Ham game no.
that decision nkoa no season yɛ Arsenal season
The young kasa.
yɛmɛ fie na so de yɛ start show me catch them say